Okay, so here is the completed website. We now have a header component that takes in a prop to determine whether it's going to have a linear background or not. We have the home banner that hides behind the header. We have a reusable split banner component that we can pass props down and it changes the text and the images and so on. If we go into our menu, we have a menu page that renders out all the drinks that we have on offer that is being called from the API on the server side. We also have a drop down select that filters out the relevant drinks that we need. So if we wanted hot chocolate, we could select hot chocolate and Frostino, for example. If we then click through to the individual drinks, so if I click through to the Belgian chocolate and cream Frostino, it would now fetch the data from the API and build out a new page with the ID of the product in the URL as a param. If we now go back and do the same for the cappuccino, it conditionally builds out the page relevant to the product's ID. That is all complete there. And finally, we have got the locations page, which has a list of all of the store cards that we have and we are calling from the API. We can also filter out these store cards. So if I search for Sainsbury's, it filters it out. We also have the latitude and longitude of the stores and plotted it on a real-time map. And this is done by using React Leaflet. If we refresh the page, as you can see, the central location. So what happens is it gets the center point of all of the stores and it calculates that and it renders the map on the page in the center position. Also, we have the navigator button where if we click, we can give permission for the browser to have access to our location, like so. And this map zooms out and zooms in. And the map tile design is from React Leaflet and also from Carto, who have attributions with this design. There are some improvements that I could make on this app. For example, I haven't done any mobile designs. So, for example, if we scrolled in like so, we could potentially have a new header component get rendered. We could also change the display for this from a flex direction of row into a column where the image is displayed on top, and the same for this. If I also go onto the menu, again, we could have extra padding on the sides and on the location page. Again, we could have the map displayed above with the store cards displayed below. So these are some improvements that we could make. And this series was mainly looking at the new features of Next 12 and also style component and working out ways on how we could build the website. There are improvements that we could make, such as designing the site for mobile. But other than that, it was just to have fun and see how far we could build the website. I really hope you liked the YouTube series. And if you did, if you can please give my videos a like and also subscribe, that would be really helpful so I could delve into other websites and showcase how I would build them also.